Hi students, welcome back to new online session. In the previous session we have discussed exercise 7.2. In this session we are going to discuss exercise 7.3 of chapter triangles. In triangle ABC and a triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC and vertices A and B are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP, AP bisects angle A as well as angle D, and AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. You can see the figure. It is given that A and D are same side of the BC. So the figure you can check. When ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on base BC, then automatically AB equal to AC and BD equal to CD, because the other two sides will be equal for individual isosceles triangles. Solution for first one, in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have AB equal to AC given, AD equal to DA common side, and BD equal to CD, that is also given. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by side congruency rule. Therefore, angle BAD equal to angle CAD by CPCT. We are taking this as equation 1. So we have proved first part of the first problem and second one. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, we have AB equal to AC given data, angle BAP equal to angle CAP from equation 1, and AP equal to PA, this is common side. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by SAS congruency rule. Third part of the question, since triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP, therefore angle BAP equal to angle CAP by CPCT, therefore AP is the bisector of angle A. Again, in triangle BDP and triangle CDP, we have AD equal to BD equal to CD given data, and DP equal to PD common, BP equal to CP, since triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP, they both are corresponding parts, so they are equal. Therefore, triangle BDP is congruent to triangle CDP by SSS congruency rule. Therefore, angle BDP equal to angle CDP by CPCT. So, DP or AP is the bisector of angle BDC. Therefore, AP is the bisector of angle A as well as angle D. As triangle ABP equal to triangle AC, congruent to triangle ACP, and AP, therefore APS equal to angle APC, comma BP equal to CP by CPCT, what we got in the previous problem. Therefore, angle APB equal to angle APC, which equal to 90 degrees, because they both form a linear pair as well as equal. And we know that it divides into two equal parts. So we can say that AP perpendicular BC, also BP equal to CP, hence AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC. Show that AD bisects BC, AD bisects angle A. So you can see the figure. In right triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have AB equal to AC, which is given data, angle ADB equal to angle ADC, which each equal to 90 degrees, and AD equal to DA, it is common. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by RHS congruency rule. So, BD equal to CD by CPCT. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC or AD. BC or AD bisects BC. So directly you can say AD bisects BC, which first one is proved. Since the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, therefore angle BAD equal to angle CAD by CPCT. So AD bisects angle A as well as. So AD bisects BC as well as angle A. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ and QR and median PN of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR and a triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. First of all, we are going to prove ABM is congruent to PQN. So in triangle ABC, AM is the median. Therefore, BM equal to half BC, that is equation 1. Because median bisects the base. Okay. In triangle PQR, PN is the median. Therefore, QN equal to half QR, this is equation 2. And BC equal to QR given. Therefore, half of BC is equals to half of QR, because you know that halves of the equals are equal. So therefore, BM equal to QN. From 1 and 2, half BC is nothing but BM, half QR is nothing but QN. So BM equal to QN, this considered as third equation. So first problem, in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, we have AB equal to PQ given, AM equal to PN given, BM equal to QN from equation 3. Therefore, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN by SSS congruency rule. Since triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN, then angle B equal to angle Q by CPCT, which are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have angle B equal to angle Q from equation 4, AB equal to PQ given, BC equal to QR given. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS congruency rule. Question number 4. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of a triangle ABC. Using RHS congruency rule, prove that the triangle ABC is isosceles. Since BE is perpendicular to AC given, therefore BEC is a right triangle such that angle BEC equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, angle CFB equal to 90 degrees. Now in right triangle BEC and triangle CFB, we have BE equal to CF, this is given data. BC equal to CB common hypotenuse. Angle BEC equal to angle CFB, each 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CFB by RHS congruency rule. So, triangle BCE, angle BCE equal to angle CBF by CPCT, or angle BCA equal to angle CBA, because BCE and BCA are same. E is a part on AC. Same way, similarly, CBF equal to CBA. F is a part on AB. Now in triangle ABC, angle BCA equal to angle CBA. Therefore, AB equal to AC. Sides opposite equal angles of a triangle are equal. Therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular BC to show that angle B equal to angle C. We should show that B and C are equal angles. So we have AP perpendicular BC, angle APB equal to 90 degrees and angle APC equal to 90 degrees. So in triangle ABP and ACB, we have angle APB equal to angle APC, each 90 degrees. AB equal to AC, that is given data, and AP equal to AP, which is common. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP by RHS congruency rule. So, angle B equal to angle C by CPCT. So, my dear students, that's all for today, and this we conclude the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.